is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy as fast as possible. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 breakfast recipes for skinny guys that you can use to bulk up in the next 30 days and gain more weight. Now, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe right now. If you're a skinny guy looking for recipes, workouts, meal plans, we've got it all here for you. And if you've been following this channel for a while now, make sure that you click the first link in my description and go get yourself a free bulking meal plan after you watch this video. So let's get straight into today's recipes. So I've prepared for you 3 bulking breakfast recipes, and they're not going to be so high calorie that you're going to struggle to get the calories down. They're actually going to be somewhere in the middle. It's going to give you a good boost of calories in the morning without feeling too stuffed, okay? So I've got a smoothie recipe for you, and I've got a couple of just pre-made meals that you can prepare, okay? So let's start with the first recipe. So the first recipe is cookie overnight oats. This is an amazing tasting recipe. It's gonna take you around 10 to 15 minutes. Actually, how this works is you're gonna prepare it the night before your breakfast, and you're gonna let it sit in your refrigerator, and then you're gonna have it for breakfast the day after. So I love this because if you're at university, school, work, and you can make this before the day, and then you can actually take this to work. So it's really portable and it's really tasty. So ingredients, you're gonna need 50 grams of raw oats. You're gonna need full fat Greek yogurt, about 150 grams, almond milk unsweetened, 100 mils. You're gonna need peanut butter, 1 tablespoon, 1 scoop of whey protein for more protein, and raisins, 1 ounce or 30 grams. So calories come to 621 calories in 1 serving, okay? So I'm gonna put up the preparation instructions on your screen right now, so make sure to screenshot this and use this recipe in the next 30 days. Take it to work, take it to school, help you bulk up, help you get a kickstart to the day. Second recipe is the coconut cream smoothie recipe. Super easy way to pack in calories if you struggle to eat food, especially in the morning. So coconut cream smoothie is gonna take you 5 minutes to prepare. Super quick, easy recipe. And everything I give you is gonna be quick to prepare, okay? Ingredients, you're gonna need 1 scoop of whey protein, coconut milk, 200 mils, coconut cream. You don't need to use this actually, but this allows it to taste much more fragrant. You can taste the coconut more. 25 mils of coconut cream, almond butter, gonna pack in more calories, 1 tablespoon, and some vanilla extract if you want it to taste even better, about half a tablespoon of that. Calories come to 570 calories for this smoothie. If you want to increase the calories, simply increase the whey protein or increase the almond butter, okay? So preparation instructions, I'm gonna put on your screen right now, so make sure to screenshot the preparation instructions and use this recipe in the next 30 days to bulk up as a skinny guy. Last recipe is my custom mass gain breakfast shake, okay? So I actually made this recipe because I had a lot of skinny guys asking me for a recipe, a smoothie recipe that they can prepare, and it was really easy in the morning, and also it's a budget shake. It doesn't cost too much to make, and you don't have to go out and get all these random ingredients. These are all simple ingredients that you probably already have, or if you can get them, they're gonna be amazing for you to actually prepare meals throughout the day. But in this shake, it's gonna take you around 5 minutes to make. You're gonna need 1 scoop of whey protein, 1 medium banana, 60 grams of raw oats, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 250 mils of full fat milk. Calories in this shake comes to 715 calories in 1 serving, okay? It goes down really easy, and if you want to increase the calories, again, simply increase either the whey protein, maybe the banana, or simply increase the raw oats or the peanut butter, okay? And this is gonna, boost the calories even more to around, 800 to 1,000 plus calories, if you can really get that down. But let's start with 715 calories first. Try this shake out. I'm gonna put the preparation instructions on your screen right now, so make sure to screenshot it and use this custom mass gain shake in the next 30 days. So, hope you enjoyed these recipes. Again, these recipes are taken straight from my customized coaching program, my Scrawny to Brawny coaching program. So if you enjoy these recipes, maybe you've tried the ones in my previous videos, and if you enjoyed them and found that they really help you, make sure to check out my customized coaching program below in the links. Basically, we can build you a customized meal plan with all these types of meals already prepared for you. So you can wake up in the morning, have a go-to customized mass gain shake, or a simple bulking meal, and have all your days laid out for you, every single meal, and know exactly what you need to eat every single day. And we're gonna scientifically formulate your calorie surplus so that you're following the right amount of calories every day to bulk up as fast as possible as a skinny guy, maximize your muscle gains, and minimize your fat gains. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check out the links below. Go apply for the program. We have very limited spots on the program. I only take 25 guys every single month, okay? So if you're fast enough, you can get a spot, okay? So hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be coming out with new recipes, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. And take care during these COVID times. Make sure to stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Also, check out the videos on the screen here to watch next. That's it for this video, my skinny survivors. I'll see you in the next one.